Good morning. It is 7:05 and we are in the car ready to head to the Poly for breakfast with Jen and Brian. I'm very proud of us. We got to the car at a good pace. I don't know how we're going to get all the luggage in this vehicle. We're going to have to go out today and buy a bigger car or a U-Haul. I don't know if you can see. You can see our luggage in the back. And we still have, Jen and Brian have 2 big suitcases. So this will be fun. Actually, we're going to put some of the stuff in Robin's car, I think, to go to the port. Anyway, cruise is still scheduled to leave. Disney has not announced anything, so the plan is in 24 hours. We'll be doing something before we go to the port. So, Tuesday I got an Ohana breakfast. Tuesday I got it for today. Okay. Yes, I booked it Tuesday before I talked to anybody to see if they were okay with it. And so we'll be back at All Star Movies in, I don't know, 10 days or something with one of my daughters and her family. And it was really nice. The room was great. The refurbs are just like the ones at Pop. They're really nice. Yep. And I really look forward to spending some time with our grandkids there. Got anything to add? I know it's early.
Nope, I'm just happy we're up and moving around.
Yeah, he got up and moving. Really good for him. I was very impressed. Tonight won't be as late a night. We were out until after midnight last night, which, if you know us at all, is not us. So, we're having a good time. Yay. So we're at the Poly for our breakfast at Ohana. And, first impressions, they waxed this floor to within an inch of its life. Isn't it beautiful?
See the reflection?
So pretty. So, look around. Make yourself comfortable. It smells so good in here. All the lobbies have smelled amazing this trip. I act like I've never been here. Also, I might still be a little drunk from last night. Okay, we are at Ohana. Say hi. Hi.
Aloha.
You did not follow direction well. No. Okay, so we have fruit. Everybody gets fruit. And then there's this fabulous cinnamon bread thing, but I'm trying to stay gluten-free as much as I can. They brought me a knick-knack. It's a donut, and it's gluten-free, and it makes me happy because they have them on this ship. I can get these on the ship. I've never seen them. Is it a plain one? It is plain. I can dip it in my coffee. I'm so happy.
So for those who don't know, Ohana is our cruise ritual, our pre-cruise ritual, and pineapple is our official cruise fruit. So let the cruise prep begin.
Okay, so the first wave of food is here, and this isn't all you can eat. So if you run out of something, if you want more of something, you can get more. So there's their Skittle. Look at my gluten-free... Skittle. What did I... You did say Skittle. Oh my God. I didn't even realize it. Skillet.
I thought it was odd. I thought maybe it was your thing.
I have a tiny one. Oh my gosh. I cannot eat all of that. Yeah,
So
we run out of waffles.
Mickey's been through some stuff.
Okay, so you can order any more of anything you want. So Brian needed more eggs and more ham. So now you got a hidden Mickey there?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
And Ethan finished the stupid bread. Not that it's any of his business. We're supposed to go on the cruise ship tomorrow. This is our tradition. We would see you before every cruise. Wish us luck with the hurricane coming. We're hoping we get a couple of extra days. But anytime on your cruise ship, we'll see you. Major discovery going on here. These are plastic.
The servers would all have.
Although this one's kind of heavy. Mine is kind of heavy. Oh, okay. Mine is not plastic.
I bet it.
Oh, maybe it is. I don't know.
It's a really hard plastic.
Is it? It is plastic. Oh, eat your
Skittles has
biscuit.
that hard coating.
Yes. They're never gonna let me live it down that I called this a skittle instead of a skillet. Potato. Eat your stupid eggs. I know how. Pretty sure I just took a picture of the guy standing behind you. I'm not doing a great job here.
There you go.
Thank you.
Why is there a lay on this lamp? Reasons.
We're back in the Poly, picking up some stuff. But I just wanted to show you this light. Look at how they did the lamp, where it's an actual lamp. It looks like a lamp, but it's on the wall, so it doesn't get in the way on the bed. I might still be a little bit buzzed.
On the bed.
What? Oh,
Say a lamp on the bed.
damn. Yes, Skittles. Thank you. Oh my God.
It's our go-to word.
I have to go out on their balcony because it's so pretty. Okay, ready? Isn't that pretty? There's somebody having a conversation next door. So pretty. I would like to have my coffee out here. I think that would be very nice. Yes, it's on. All right, here we go. Food and wine, day 1.
No lines.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, that is weird that there's no line.
It's because they're all coming into the showcase entrance.
Wow, everybody's over at Galaxy's Edge. Food and wine starts now. Well, actually, it starts in an hour or two, and we just had breakfast, so I don't think we're hungry. But look at all the stickers. It's Sticker Palooza.
Morning. Thank you. There is abbreviated chocolate art. Or no, there is not. There is chocolate process.
Hi, what are you celebrating?
All right, quick before it goes away. Remember this theming? Because when Awesome Planet gets here, I don't know if they're going to go with the macrame walls anymore. Would you focus? Y'all know what time it is. Cruise food.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where
Cruise
scientists
food.
from the U.S. Department of Agriculture. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice.
So you can't grow this near wheat.
Two-thirds of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world.
Okay, come on. You guys can't change the research every week. That's not research.
Another great way to produce more while
Long-term, people.
Like where?
We're all looking out.
Nice shirt.
Oh, whoopie pie, how I miss you. While she's putting the Gelato Sundae together. I have the Gravitas glasses on to say that they've just announced that our cruise is up to us if we'd like to reschedule. Hi, good afternoon from Hurricane Central. As you see, we're working hard forecasting the track of Storm Dorian. Also Robin. So, as of about 11 a.m. Eastern on Thursday, we got messages from Disney saying if you want to reschedule your cruise, you can. You don't have to. Apparently a bunch of people are. The issue is we're supposed to come back Monday as it's a 3-night cruise, but it's now about to become a 4-night. Yes. I happen to have one final day off at work that wasn't pre-booked, so I already have it conditionally called in at work, so it looks like I'm going to be using it conditionally. The big issue is whether or not we can come into the port or not on Monday. The latest forecast line, I'm thinking, yeah, we can. The big issue is that it's great getting the ship into the port at, like, say, 5 in the morning, but then they have to get you off the ship. To be fair, I don't know that they're going to, like, make you moosh your way off the ship into a hurricane. So, we'll see. Much depends on much. Everyone's all like, well, most of it, but we have no flights to worry about. It just has something to do with picking up the dog and then going back to work on whatever day. So that's the poop. We now return to food and wine already in progress. Alright, we finally made it out of the land, and so now I'm going to start filming menus. I'll take a long hard look because this building is going away. Eventually this is going to be the new event center space. And that's going to be years in the making. So that could have been the last time I was in that building. Probably not, but one of the last.
Hey, they repaved this. It's exciting. We're going on a cruise.
So we're waiting for the pass holder shop. Things are weird at Food and Wine these days.
This is an Ethan hat if I've ever seen it. It's got a cork brim. That's awesome.
And this is trolling Mark Ryan if I've ever seen it. Troll, troll, troll. Also that. Also that. And that.
Mini magnet. Is it small again?
I think it is.
Yeah, they went back to the little ones. Really messing with your collection, honey. So we just got to our room at Bay Lake, and we have a capsule room too, Jen.
We had to work for it, but we have it.
Uh-uh.
Also Tron. Also tennis courts.
Yeah, we got back here just in time. It is just starting to rain for the day, so we are going to cool off and put my feet up.
All right, while she's out on the balcony, here's the room tour. This is the DVC studio. By way of the fact this is Bay Lake, so like duh, but for those of you who don't know that, I seek to inform. Ooh, shelving. Sliding pantry, which is crazy considering this is just a non-sexy fridge. Wow. Old school coffee maker. Nice. What else we got? What about the facilities? Well, we got a contemporary shower. We got products. Oh yeah. Not thrilled about the sliding door business, but it's fine. Got sliding stuff there. Not sliding. What's in here? Drawers, okay. Standard outlets.
Yeah, just standard outlets.
USB, not so much. So not very contemporary, guys. But,
That's because it's Bay Lake.
but not bad. I like it. That's our home for tonight. I think we're going to see more of this room than we saw of All-Star. Anything to add?
I love you, honey.
Alright, conveniently the sky bridge took us right to where the food is. Thank God, because I don't think we could stand another obstacle between us and food. And then bedtime. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, by the way, but it might as well be midnight. What I'm gonna do. Look, it's a Star Wars cake.
It's a peanut butter one on the end.
Okay, real quick. This is the peanut butter cupcake. This is the dulce de leche, that's the one I'm having. And then Jamie is having the ranch wrap right now. We're gonna get some cups of water and more Crystal Light. Done. Bam. Now here's the inside. There it is, there's my shrimp roll at Contempo. Oh yes. Okay, so this is how you know the difference between a deluxe and moderate resort. The cruise ship's bigger. Alright, so even though this is the fantasy and we're going to be on the sister ship, the Dream, the game plan is basically the same. Our room's supposed to be back here, right there. What's this go? So not that rod, so it's this one right here. However, thanks to Hurricane Dorian, we're trying to aim for in here. We shall see. That would be awesome. Because then the cove would be like right there. And we'd be like right there.
It's over there.
Oh yeah.
That's the cove.
How about this?
No!